Baby Bob. Hello, Baby Bob.
Hey, Baby Bob.
Hey, Baby Bob.
So, guys,
Sophie.
hey.
Baby Bob. I miss you so much.
Me too. I miss you really, really. I really miss you too.
Yeah, I miss you too. Oh. Hey, Baby Bob, what are you doing?
So-
Can I too, can I? Yay.
So please check my sister's channel, Moshi0901.
Yes, and that's mine. And please check my
Wait, Sisi.
video YouTube channel too. Sophie YT. So big S and space with big Y and T. And my YouTube channel is, you're watching it. But here it is. So come on, let's travel around. What? What can I see? Oh, we got here a saddle, a horse, and a button, and a lot of things. So I think we have a down. Oh, nothing is oh, nothing is in here.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Baby Bob, I'm just fine. Hey, Baby Bob, we got tools there. I got a saddle and a rope portion.
Someone give me some tools. Yeah, let's
And
give
I got
us tools. Let's give us tools. Let's took his tools. Okay?
Kill.
Let's
Kill
take his
her.
tool. Let's take his tool.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Thank you, bro. Where is Hannah?
I'm
Hannah?
here.
Hey, I have a tools.
Oh
So
my
many
gosh.
tools.
See this,
I have
Baby
so
Bob.
many tools. Look. Come. I have a sword. Come on. Go in here.
Can I get tattoo?
Okay.
Can I get Sophie?
Chuk.
Where is it? There you go. Yay.
Then the pickaxe.
Thank you.
Sandra got some fishing rod and hoe. Bleh.
Me too, I want that. Where is it?
Okay. Hoe na lang. Only hoe.
Aw,
Because
how about you?
Sandra didn't have any tools now.
How about me?
Sandra didn't have any tools. Ito. This is Tagalog.
Hey, that's a bow.
Just look it.
Get a
Tulang.
bow. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, baby.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Back.
yes.
When Sophie see his tools is so empty. Oh, there's a chest. Wow.
Nothing is in there, just that
Spawn husk.
cobweb. Come
Husk.
on here, baby Bob.
I want to spawn husk.
Come on. Let's hide. Come on.
Let's
I
kill
could
him.
hide that house.
Let's kill her. Let's kill her.
Do you want that? Come here. And open
Whoa. This is a gorgeous room. Goldy
Oh,
room.
goldy room.
I want
Come on.
I want some.
Come on.
I want some gold. Goldy blooms. I want some goldy blooms. We are inside, but we want goldy blooms. Where are you two?
Gold.
Hey, we're in here. We want goldy blooms. Where is Hannah? Goldy
Come in
blooms.
here. I just got to find a bone and I see in the chest and I took it.
Hey, we found Hannah.
See,
This
you want
only.
this? You want this? Is
Yes.
tulang.
La. Me too.
You want this?
Give me.
There you go. You got 46 tulang. That's a tulang.
What is tulang?
I don't know. I just got that in chest. Tulang.
Tulang. Who wants some golden blooms?
Me.
Okay, I'll mine it for you.
Yay!
But where are you two first?
Where are you?
You.
I'm in here.
Tulang.
Sophie, mommy.
Tulang. Tulang. Tulang.
Yay!
Tulang.
Someone up there. Oh wait.
When I hit you, I will dead. I will rip.
I will give you to some armor instead.
Me first. Me first.
My armor is so weak for now.
The baby first. The baby first.
What do you want, baby Bob?
The
I'm in
greaves
the
and the
prison.
armor.
I'm in the prison.
The greaves and the armor. Yes, that's right. Boots for Hannah.
Nope.
There
There you go, baby Bob.
Oh, it's up. Hey, and the greaves.
Greaves? Here you go. Here you go, Hannah. Hannah. So I got the boots, you got the leggings, and baby Bob got the chest plate.
Hey, I got a tulang. Don't see this. A tulang. Who wants a tulang? Who wants a tulang?
Nope, I
Who wants a tulang? Ah, hubo. 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 Noob. Noob. Where is Hannah? Nothing? Yeah, let's go down here.
There's nothing.
Yeah. It's a golden bloom. Golden bloom.
No, there's nothing.
Yo, there's a zombie in here.
Where is it?
Let's
Where
check
are
it.
you? I can find you. Come on. Where are you?
Why it's so dark from you?
Because my brightness is up. Hello, I got two.
Yeah. You're
Egg.
Yeah, I break it. Let's go.
Come on, let's find out what's in here. Come on. Something in here.
Why the baby first? You go
Because you're the baby.
You go first. I'm a baby. Grow out. No! No! Run!
Why?
Run! It's in now. The now. In the dark. It's dark! Ah! Now it's in there. Run!
No one is in here.
Run! Run! We find now.
Where is
Run!
he?
Run!
Can I see him?
You cannot see him because you are dark. Run! Let's go up. Ah, police! Ah,
Come on.
Sophie! I found the.
A chest. I found that nugget.
I found the.
Where?
There, in here. It's Hannah.
No, are you here?
There.
That's true. Guys, did you see now? Oh my gosh. Ah, I don't know where can I go. Oh my gosh. Sophie! I think I just find Noel.
Go,
baby Bob. I'll find something
Sophie.
here. I'll give you this. And
I need a milky. I don't know how to go. Yay, I have a stone. Whee! I have a stone. A tons of stone.
come on. Here? Here's a block that you can use. I don't know. Baby Here, I see your name tag. I think I just find no.
No, didn't have a name tag.
No, not the name tag one. I think just I find no. Truth. I'm saying the truth.
No, didn't have a name tag.
I'm saying the truth, guys.
No, didn't have a name tag.
No, I didn't saying that. No, have a name tag. I didn't say that. I'm just saying that. Where are the two of you?
We're
Down
up
here.
the castle.
Sissy, can we change our map, please? Yes. Can we change the map? Sure. So bye guys. This is the end for today. Our record for today. Bye guys. Baby bye.